This is the Gen 7 design. I have to trim off some of the coroplast, and I will use those for the floor. I cut it into right sizes and I glued them onto the floor. And then I cut another sheet of coroplast into the size as shaped here. I used 2 layers to create a total of 12mm thick sheet. I bent the corners so I can fit it into the boat. I want the coroplast sheet to be long enough so as to overlapping the fold line. I drill holes onto the coroplast. I used the lockable zip tie to fasten the chair onto the coroplast. I created extra mounting points so I can shift the seat so as to change the stability of the boat. In Gen 8 design, I have a leftover coroplast sheet which is 10mm thick and is over 4 feet long. I formed the sheet into a shape that I can fit it inside the boat. Because the coroplast is thicker, it takes a lot more heat to bend it. I used the chair to define where I should mount the chair. I create more mounting points for the chair so I can move it forward or backward. I use soldering iron to drill the holes, and it creates cleaner holes. The 10mm coroplast is very strong. I add extra holes in the front to create the foot rest. In between the rope, I put a piece of PVC pipe for landing my feet. I loosen the rope for transportation. In the next video, I will go into more details on the kayak plan. Please give me feedback. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.